Hi guys, so it is December 27th and I'm starting off the vlog very late. It's currently 8 p.m. at night. Completely forgot to vlog today, but we are currently at the Mad Crab Boiler. So we're here for seafood. Everybody is here. It's their first time here and then it's our second time here. So really excited for some seafood. You guys, we just made it to the holiday lights. Oh my god, look how cute this is. This is super cute. Oh my goodness. Good morning, everyone. So today is December 31st and right now we are actually prepping for the New Year's Eve dinner that we're having for family and friends, and just kind of like bring you guys along on what a typical like New Year's Eve party is for my family and I. So as you can see, I'm all dolled up already. I got my hair done and it's kind of like messy, but that's okay. And then my makeup's all done as well. And this is my outfit. So going to bring you guys downstairs and see what everybody else is doing. Hi, Kenneth. I think he's camera shy. What are you doing? Is that your bed?
Nope, it's this. It's my bed.
What's her name again?
Mimi.
Oh, she's so cute.
Ito ball. No, get down on my bed.
Hi, Matthew.
No.
What?
Get down on my bed. Okay.
Paul, you want to get off? She is so cute. And she's so good. So this is what we have so far. A nice fruit platter. And then we have another dish over here. A fungus dish. So as you can tell, not everything is set up yet. Oh, let me show you guys the basement. Paul, you want to go downstairs? Let's go. He loves going downstairs. Our basement just got done. I think I showed. Whoa. But anyways, as I was saying, the basement got done not too long ago, and I think I showed that in my last vlog. So, and I did like a little tour of it. So definitely go check out that vlog if you want to see what the basement looks like the full thing. Paul, let's go.
Right there.
Let's go, baby. You're waiting for Daddy. This is what the basement looks like. Half set up. They're gonna put on the tablecloth. And we went with like a very interesting green color. Oh, are you okay?
No.
Go upstairs.
Yeah, you go sit down. Yeah. Let's go. Bye.
Bye.
Every year, same thing. The tower, you know, 30 years, huh? Okay, the first time, the tower, you did that. They went to the Haidu, she don't have good law. It's amazing that everybody has the same building. So, who's going to start it first? Who's the first one?
You go. Daddy, you go.
One, two, three, go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. You guys, guess who's here? Someone's camera shy. Someone's camera shy. You wanna say hi? Okay, they think we're crazy.
You are crazy.
All the OGs are looking at us and they think we're crazy. So you guys, it is New Year's Eve and the older people have decided to wear Hmong clothes, you know, to have a Hmong couple photo shoot. So that's what's going on right now. Also, look at Auntie. Oh my god, you're so cute with your hair. Ew, don't do that. Wow, Mom, so pretty. Go, Uncle Maya, your turn. You guys, go get ready. Hi, kids. What are you guys doing?
Yeah.
Yeah? You want to say hi?
Hi.
Say hi. Hi, cool kids. What are you guys doing? Huh? Nothing? I'm gonna go change. When it gets quieter. And daddy issues.